The just concluded Agrotech Fair 2026 was a truly beautiful and graceful event. In attendance were some of the most innovative and futuristic agrotech companies showcasing a wide range of machinery, farm inputs, and organic fertilizers. It was a powerful reminder that the future of agriculture is incredibly bright. As always, afoamdirect.com was there to capture every moment. If you don't already know, Afoam Direct is a platform that connects farmers directly with buyers. All you need to do is take less than 30 seconds to register, upload a picture of your produce, and start selling completely free. We'll be coming your way soon with exclusive interviews from some of the fair's participants. Be sure to subscribe and watch this space.